Hello students, I am sure that all of you must be preparing very hard both your GS as well as optional. Today's session is primarily for those students who might be in the preparation for quite long period of time and they might have done some of the basic aspect, but they are facing some of the issue in tackling the optional specifically along with the GS preparation, and they are facing the main challenge in the answer writing. So in this session I will try to look out all the issues that the students are facing and how to overcome those issues so that you should be exam ready. So the main objective should be the exam ready in geography optional. Most of the students, once they have completed the foundation, whether they have completed the foundation or they have gone for the self-study, so both belong to the one group. So after completion of the syllabus, foundation or self-study, a student will have an understanding of the concept. Understanding of the concept, and also might be they are comfortable in writing one answer or daily answer writing. When it comes to the one answer or daily answer writing, most of the time these are associated with the topics that you are studying on the daily basis. So when it comes to the daily basis, you have studied the concept, you are studying the topic and you are writing the answer. So then students feel comfortable. But the moment they look out the PYQs, they try to answer some of the recent PYQs because the examination orientation is changing. The type of questions that were being asked in 2020, 2019, those type of questions are not being asked in 2024, and the same pattern will follow in the upcoming years. So the nature of the question is changing, but the nature of preparation that the students were following, that is not changing. So if you are not changing the way of preparation, you will not be in that condition to tackle the questions of the geography optional, and ultimately how the time will fly and you will reach to that November, December where again your mind, you will start feeling the pressures of the prelims. So from here, the next 4-5 months are going to be very crucial, and in these 4-5 months you need to do the things very systematically and you need to be very much exam ready, because in the present exam conditions, the time duration that the UPSC is giving between the prelims and mains is very short, and in that short duration it is very difficult to manage your entire optional. So if you have not properly do the answer writing before the entering into the prelims, it will become very difficult to score good marks in the geography optional. And most of the students, when they are not able to score good marks in the geography optional, they will always start criticizing the subject, that this subject is not doing well. Even after preparing for the 5 years, for the 4 years, I am not able to score good marks in the geography optional. So there are some of the important things that you need to understand, and if you will do that, so might be you are not going to be fall in that category. तो कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं, what are the things that you should do to make yourself exam ready related to the optional? The very first thing that you need to understand that when you are studying the concept, तो जब आप एक concept को पढ़ते हैं और उस concept को revise करते हैं और उससे कोई daily answer writing कर रहे हैं, so then it will become very easy for you to do the answer writing. So when you are starting from, let's say, day 1, सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हैं आप, foundation की classes कर रहे हैं, तो when you will start from the day one, when you are starting and you are continuing this, let's say, practice for the next 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. So first day you have studied one topic, next day you are studying one topic. So when it comes to the one topic daily basis, and almost in the next 1 month, there are 20 topics that you have covered. So daily basis, one topic coverage and revising, recalling will be very easy. But after 1 month, when it comes to the revision, recalling of 20 topics, then it will start creating some problem. And in fact, in this way, your entire optional preparation journey will carry on, and after the end of the session, there will be more than 250 topics. So there are 250 topics that you have studied, and every time you need to be exam ready related to these 250 topics. So the problem is not to study one topic and having an understanding of that topic and recalling of that one topic. The problem is that how to recall, revise 250 topic in a very limited time span.